A high-tech hideout was busted in a joint operation by the Jammu Kashmir police and the army, in which 2 terrorists were then shot dead. At this point, the information that has come in is one was Bilal, who was a Pakistani terrorist, while Amir was a local terrorist from the valley. According to agencies, a VoIP-enabled call center and hideout at the attic of a building was busted. Among recoveries were computers, pistol, magazines, even some drug bottles. But apart from this shootout, the controversy has also erupted over 2 more people killed in this encounter. The police has alleged that there were 2 locals who had harbored these terrorists. Security forces say one Mudassir and Altaf Dar, the house owner, were aware of the terror module. But the family members have alleged that that is not correct, and Kashmiri politicians have now jumped in asking for an impartial inquiry. Former Chief Minister Omar Abdullah, People's Conference Ajad Lone have called for an impartial, credible inquiry to the recent encounter in Hyderpura, calling the probe an absolute necessity. While Srinagar Mayor Junaid Azim Mattu has also called the allegations as grave and serious, requesting the Lieutenant Governor for a time-bound probe.
कल दोपहर में पुलिस को इत्तला मिली थी हैदरपुरा जो नेशनल हाईवे बाईपास पर 2-3 टेररिस्ट छिपे हुए हैं। पुलिस सीआरपी आर्मी मिलके कॉर्डन डाला। कॉर्डन डालने के बाद घर का सर्च शुरू हुआ। मिलिटेंट्स दरवाज़ा खोल के अंधाधुंध फायरिंग शुरू कर दिया पिस्टल से। सेल्फ डिफेंस में हमारे लोग जो सर्च पार्टी था उसने भी फायर किया। उसमें इनकाउंटर शुरू हो गया तो मिलिटेंट्स के फायरिंग में दोनों को पिस्टल से इंजरी हुआ। दोनों मारे गए। साथ ही साथ इनकाउंटर में 2 टेररिस्ट मारे गए।
श्रीनगर में एक एनकाउंटर हुआ, ये मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ। अभी यंग है, लोग हैं, जवान हो आप। एनकाउंटर हुआ, मिलिटेंट मारे गए, हम समझते हैं। मगर मिलिटेंट के साथ साथ जो वहाँ इल्जाम लगा है कि जो घर का रहने वाला था, जो घर वाला था, उसको शील्ड बना के लेके गए, ये उसके घर वाले कहते हैं। आपको ये हिंदू मुस्लिम की लड़ाई में नहीं आना है।
महबूबा मुफ्ती का यही काम है कि समाज में जहर घोलकर समाज में आपस में लड़ाई झगड़ा करवाना। महबूबा मुफ्ती ने जम्मू कश्मीर की जनता को हमेशा आपस में लड़ाने की कोशिश की है। महबूबा मुफ्ती ने जम्मू कश्मीर के अंदर जहर घोलने का काम किया है। अच्छा होता अगर महबूबा मुफ्ती पाकिस्तान के दरिंदे आतंकवादियों का जिक्र करती जो पाकिस्तान से बम, बंदूक, पिस्तौल, गोलियां लेकर यहाँ बेगुनाह लोगों की हत्याएं कर रहे हैं।
And now an investigation story by my colleague Jitendra from Jammu and Kashmir. The old methods of communication between the terror outfits in the Kashmir Valley have returned. What precisely is happening now? The security agencies have been alerted to the clandestine communication trends rising among the terror outfits in J&K. Old communication methods like the dead drops, which basically are through devices that are delivered that contain code words and other letters, and live drops, which are in-person discreet meetings, and other traditional secret communication mechanisms are being explored. But why is this happening? Old-style methods are considered safe and time-tested, while at this point the agencies are busy relying on modern electronic surveillance. Therefore, now the government sources have now said that the systems are again being alerted to ensure to also check old secret methods, not ignore those possibilities, and this will also be on watch for the next few days. That apart from the electronic surveillance, the human intelligence will also again be stepped up among the security forces in J&K.